Absolute Wealth. Real investors, real results.
Hubert Sanders here with AbsoluteWealth.com. Let's talk about the difference between stallions and ponies, and let's also talk about the importance of rule number one in trading and investing, which is protect yourself. So a lot of people believe in this company, which is Netflix. So I want to show you a couple of reasons why you really shouldn't love it so much. So obviously you get this massive gap down and it continues lower. Then you're like, okay, my bad. I was long and I got stopped out. Then you're like, okay, I'm getting long again. And then you get another gap down that goes lower. Now you have another one on this earnings date and it gaps down and now it's going to go lower. So first rule in trading is protect yourself at all costs. No one's going to protect your money. Your broker's not, your financial advisor's not, your brother's not, your mother's not. It's your job to protect your money first and foremost. If you run out of money, you can't trade and you can't invest. Now, that's not your most precious commodity. Your most precious commodity is your mental capital. Let's take a look at where we think Netflix is going to go. So what we're going to do is we're going to switch the ink off and we're going to go to, like, say, a potential of a weekly chart. And then on the weekly, you can say, well, you know, it's kind of on a little bit of support here at 51 and it's bouncing at 60. Yeah, well, real support for Netflix is really way down here around $15. Now, it did have one heck of a run and it had one heck of a sell-off. So this is how you figure out if it's a dog, or in other words, if it's a pony or a stallion. If it's a stallion, what it'll do is on this run up from this base to that high, it will retrace down to about a 50% sell-off, hold that area, and then continue higher. All right. Now, it did not do that. Let's compare this to, say, a stallion. So let's go Google, G-O-O-G. So even though Google missed earnings, you can see on a weekly, their chart still acts and looks really, really attractive. And on this weekly chart, it's getting close to a buy point from July to there. So, you know, a decent buy on Google is 663 to 637. Now, you can also compare this stallion to the ponies, Visa. So see, Visa continues to go up as Netflix goes down. So my recommendation would be short Netflix, buy you some Google on a pullback, and get long some Visa. Good luck, hope it helps, and I'll see you on the next video.